All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom collision for your tiles. So I want to create a bridge over here, all right? So um, I'm just gonna place these tiles like this. Um, and now, of course, we don't have any collisions placed in there on these particular tiles. So if I go there, I'm just gonna fall through. So let's fix that first. So I'm going to navigate to the tileset. This is important. This is all happening in the tileset file where we can define the collisions. If you remember, we have previously added collisions with the simple add box collision, which sort of works in most cases. I would say it probably works even in this particular case. But if I choose sort of this middle section of the bridge and I add box and I add box to the final section as well, I'm gonna save. Important here, once you update collision boxes, you need to refresh maps. And then if you go back to your level, you will have collisions implemented, right? But you can see that, when it comes to the middle section, suddenly our character is sort of like floating, which is not very nice. So we will need a custom collision. I'm gonna go back to the tile set. I'm gonna choose the middle one and I'm gonna remove the box. So first, I'm gonna go to the right hand menu over here and I'm gonna go to this collision data drop down. And in this shapes array, I see that we have one array element. I can remove all elements. That gets rid of the collision box. And now we will need to add a custom one. So, there is the circle option, but that doesn't really help us here. And there is the polygon option, which sort of allows us to draw. So I'm gonna click on polygon. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. And I'm gonna start drawing the custom collision shape. It is important that for some reason it is implemented in a way where you need to start your collision on the left and finish it by going back to the starting point on the left. So you sort of go from left to right, back to the left. Otherwise, it's gonna start drawing like really weird shapes. So I'm gonna click over here. And now when you're satisfied with the shape, you're just gonna click enter and you're left with this custom collision box. I can save. I can again refresh maps, go back to our level, click play. And as you can see, now the collision works much better. Our character is no longer floating. While you're here, let's actually update one more thing, which is let's make this level that we have created the default one that loads up whenever you open this project, instead of the playground 3D level that would open otherwise. It's super simple. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Maps and Modes. And here in the default maps section, edit a startup map, choose level underscore platformer. This is, or however else you called your 2D level. And game default map, also level underscore platformer. And that's literally all you have to do. So next time you close and reopen this project, you will start right here instead of in that empty 3D level. Alright, so that was a short and sweet tutorial. Make sure to hit that subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, bye.